Aloha, this song is for Papa Mando. Oh, now the brother is gone, and I must carry on, sharing the manao with the people that we sing to every time we kani kapila. We just go on and on, singing of the aina and aloha that is gonna be gone. Oh, one day the brother told me, come on, let's make a bet. We might lose everything we got, but hopefully not the land. Then the brothers and sisters sing along till everybody knew that song. Uama kea ika aina ika pono, o ni pa'a. Uama kea ika aina ina obio. We started to jam at a one-night stand, the brother and I in a band. Then one morning as I was waking up, I knocked on the door from a friend. He said the brother is gone, he's gone for good. I didn't know that he would. Like the Ali, he was a brave young man, but I didn't get to talk to the man. Then the brothers and sisters sang along till everybody knew that song. Uamo ke'ea ika aina ika pono, o ni pa'a. Uamo ke'ea ika aina ina obio. Uamo ke'ea ika aina ika pono, o ni pa'a. Uamo ke'ea ika aina ina obio. Aloha oi, ua ka'ilima. Rest in peace, Papa Mando. Aloha.